Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about how to identify the topic. So definition, the topic of a text is the subject, meaning what the text is mostly about. Identifying a topic is the first step in determining the central idea of a text. Basic rules. A topic is a description of what the whole text is about. A topic is not a description of what one part of the text is about. So just keep in mind, whole text, not one small part. A topic is sometimes found in the title or the subtitles. A topic is not always found in the title, so don't get used to that as a rule. It's not always found there. A topic is only 1 to 2 words. A topic is not a complete sentence. A topic is usually a noun or a noun phrase. A topic is not an article, meaning the words a, an, or the. We should not see those in a topic. Again, because a topic is just those 1 to 2 words. Steps for identifying the topic. First step, while reading a text, highlight or underline any words or phrases that you see being repeated throughout the text. Step number 2, make a list of the key terms that you underlined and highlighted. Step number 3, compare the words in your list to the title and subtitles of the text if there is one. Step 4, decide which 1 to 2 words best match the title and overall idea of the text. Here's an example of a text. Climates of the desert. Did you know that not all deserts are hot? Both hot and cold deserts are very dry. But unlike deserts, cold deserts have long winters when the temperatures can reach below freezing. Cold deserts also get a great deal of snow, which is certainly not true for hot deserts. So for this, I would follow all of the steps and highlight or underline any words I see being repeated. Like these. Climates gets repeated, desert, deserts, hot, cold, temperatures, since that kind of goes with hot and cold, freezing, since it's very similar to hot, cold, and temperature. So we sort of highlighted everything we see being repeated. So based on that, I can assume the topic of this passage is desert climates. If I were to have made a list of all of those words that I highlighted and then looked at the title and then thought, well, what is this whole thing mostly about? I would choose desert and climates. I know this is the topic because the word desert is repeated throughout the text and both words are in the title, so that was a pretty good hint to me. And I remembered topic had to be 1 to 2 words, so I couldn't say the topic was climates of the desert. That's too many words. So I had to pick 2, desert climates. Now, you guys are going to try one. So the title of this one is Beach Precautions. Spending too much time in the sun can lead to sunburns, dehydration, and even skin cancer. One way to help prevent sunburns is to make sure that you wear sunscreen whenever you are outside. It is also a good idea to avoid being outside during the hottest part of the day, between 11 and 2 p.m. These simple steps can help prevent an incredibly painful sunburn. So, questions that you are trying to answer. What is the topic of this paragraph? And how do you know? Remember, you want to go through, see what words are being repeated, make a list of those words, compare them to the title, and then decide which 2 words best, or 1 to 2 words really, best describe what this whole paragraph is mostly about.